Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Drift. I'm so excited you're here with us today. This is our very first episode, and we are so happy to start this journey with you.
Hey, welcome. Wow, episode 1? This is such a big moment. I'm honestly so happy right now. Hello to everyone listening from all around the world.
You know, I was thinking about this morning. I woke up and I couldn't stop smiling because today we finally get to meet all of you. We've been planning this for so long.
We really have, and today we're going to talk about something that every English learner needs: how to introduce yourself and have a basic conversation in English. It sounds simple, but there are so many little things that make it feel natural.
That's exactly right. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to greet someone, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and keep a basic conversation going, all in natural English.
And here's a little question for you right now. Where are you listening from? Are you in Pakistan, India, Japan, Brazil, Turkey? We'd love to know. Write your country in the comments right now. Go ahead.
Yes, please do that. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button for the English Drift so you never miss an episode. We're going to be here every week helping your English grow.
All right, let's not wait any longer. Let's drift into English together, starting right now.
Okay, so let's start with the very first thing you do when you meet someone. You greet them. Now, in English, greetings depend on the time of day and how formal the situation is. The basic structure is simple: greeting plus name, or greeting plus how are you?
Right. So, for example, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or just hello, hi, hey. Those last three you can use any time of day. Let me give you 5 really common ones. 1. Hello, nice to meet you. 2. Hi there, how are you doing? 3.
Hey, good to see you.
4. Good morning, how's everything? 5. Hi, I'm glad we finally met.
And in my daily life, I use, hey, how's it going? All the time with friends. It's casual, it's friendly, it's natural. But at work or in a formal meeting, I'd say, good morning, it's a pleasure to meet you. Same feeling, different words.
Exactly. So let me ask you something. When you meet a new person in English, what do you usually say? Do you feel nervous? Write it in the comments. We want to know.
Now, let's look at the negative, or how to respond when things aren't perfect. Someone asks, how are you? And you don't want to just say, fine. You can say, I'm not doing too bad, actually. Or, to be honest, it's been a tough day. Or, I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. Thanks for asking. These sound much more real and natural.
Can you try saying one of those out loud right now? Pause the video and say it. I'm not doing too bad. Come on, say it. Great. So to summarize this section, greetings in English can be formal or informal. And your response to how are you doesn't have to be just fine. Make it real. Make it human.
Now let's move to the next step, introducing yourself. This is something you'll need every single day. At a new job, at school, traveling, making friends online. The basic structure is, my name is plus name. I'm from plus place. I work as, I study, plus subject.
And we can make it more interesting. Instead of just, my name is Smith, you can say, hi, I'm Smith, and I love learning new languages. Or, hey, I'm Smith, I work as a teacher, and I'm obsessed with coffee. See how that gives people something to talk about? It opens the conversation.
That's such a good point. So let me show you a real mini conversation. Imagine we're meeting for the first time. Ready?
Ready. Okay. Hi there. I'm Smith. I'm from London, but I live in New York now. What about you?
Oh, nice. I'm Enna. I'm originally from Canada, but I've been living in Dubai for a few years. What do you do?
I'm a podcast host, obviously, and I teach English on the side. How about you?
I'm a language coach. I help people sound more natural when they speak English. So this is basically my dream job.
See how natural that was? Now, here's the difference between formal and informal introductions. Formally, you say, my name is Smith. I'm a language educator. Informally, you say, I'm Smith. I teach English. It's super fun. First tip, use contractions in informal situations. I'm, I've, I'd. Second tip, add one personal detail that makes you interesting. Third tip, always ask a question back. It keeps the conversation going.
Now your turn. Try writing your own introduction in the comments. Tell us your name, where you're from, and one fun thing about you. We read every comment and we'll reply.
To recap, when introducing yourself, use a simple structure, add a personal touch, and always invite the other person to talk. That's the secret to a great first impression in English.
Okay, so you've said hello, you've introduced yourself. Now what? This is where a lot of learners get stuck. The conversation stops because they don't know what to say next. But don't worry, there are some really simple conversation-keeping phrases that native speakers use all the time.
Yes, and they're not complicated at all. Things like, oh, really? That's interesting. Tell me more. Wow, I didn't know that. How long have you been doing that? What do you think about that? These little phrases show the other person you're listening and you're interested.
And you know what's funny? I used to just nod and say yes, yes when I was nervous speaking English. But that actually makes you seem bored. When you say, oh, wow, really? Tell me more. The other person lights up.
I did the same thing, but now I know better. Let me show you some tones. If someone tells you good news, you say with excitement, oh, that's amazing. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. If someone tells you something surprising, you say with curiosity, wait, seriously? Wow, I had no idea. If someone tells you something sad, you say with care, oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you okay?
Let's do a little practice right now. I'm going to say something and you respond out loud. Go on, nobody's watching. Ready? I just got a new job. Did you say it? Something like, oh, that's amazing. Congratulations. What kind of job is it? Perfect. Try another one. I've been learning English for 3 years now. Your response could be, wow, 3 years. That's so impressive. Your English must be really good by now. See how encouraging that is? Always be positive in English conversations. It makes people feel comfortable.
The structure to remember here is react plus comment plus question. You react to what they said, you add a small comment, and then you ask a follow-up question. React, comment, question. That's your formula for keeping any conversation alive.
All right, let's talk about mistakes. And honestly, we've both made all of these at some point, so you're in good company. Making mistakes is totally normal. It's part of learning. But let's look at some common ones so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, saying I am fine every single time. If someone asks, how are you? And you always say, I am fine, thank you. And you? It sounds robotic. The correct, more natural option? I'm doing really well, thanks. Or, not bad at all. Busy week, but I'm good. Why is I am fine a problem? Because native speakers almost never say it. It sounds like a textbook answer. Mistake number 2, forgetting to use contractions. Saying, I am happy to meet you. I do not live here. I cannot come today. It's technically correct, but it sounds very stiff and formal. The natural version, I'm happy to meet you. I don't live here. I can't come today. Contractions make your English flow and sound human. Mistake number 3, not asking questions back. Someone says, I'm from Japan. And the learner says, oh, okay. The conversation dies. Better response? Oh, Japan. That's wonderful. Have you been in this city long? You see, one question brings the whole conversation back to life. And mistake number 4, my personal favorite, is over-apologizing for your English. Saying, sorry, my English is very bad. Before you even start. You know what? Just start talking. People are kind. They want to understand you. Confidence sounds better than perfect grammar every single time. Try this.
Instead of saying, sorry, my English is bad, say, I'm still learning English, so please be patient with me. It's positive, it's honest, and it's charming. People love it. Write in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made? No judgment. We've all been there. Okay, it's practice time. This is my favorite part. I'm going to give you 2 options, and you choose which one sounds more natural. Say your answer out loud. Yes, actually say it. Let's go.
Situation 1. You meet someone new at a party. Option A. Hello, I am called Enna. I am from Canada. Option B. Hey, I'm Enna. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada. Have you been there?
Option B, right? It's warm, it uses contractions, and it asks a question. Option A sounds like you're reading from a passport application.
Situation 2. Someone asks, how are you? Option A. I am fine, thank you. And how are you? Option B. I'm doing great, thanks. A little tired, but really happy to be here. How about you?
Option B again. It's real, it's specific, and it bounces the question back. Option A, again, textbook robot mode. Don't be a robot, be a human.
Situation 3. Someone tells you they just moved to a new city. Option A. Oh, that is good. Option B.
Oh wow, a new city? That's so exciting. And a little scary too, right? How are you finding it so far? Option B shows you're listening. You understand emotions and you're curious. That's exactly what makes a great conversation partner. Now, here's your challenge. Write your own self-introduction in the comments using everything we learned today. Don't be shy.
Remember, in real conversations, nobody is grading you. The only goal is to connect with another person. Imperfect English with a warm heart will always beat perfect grammar said without feeling.
Okay, wow, what an episode. I honestly feel like we covered so much today, and I'm really proud of you for staying with us all the way to the end. That already tells me you're serious about your English, and that matters.
Let me quickly list the 3 big things we learned today. Number 1, how to greet people naturally, formally and informally, at any time of day. Number 2, how to introduce yourself in a way that's interesting and invites conversation. Number 3, how to keep a conversation going using the react, comment, question formula.
You did it! And listen, if English still feels scary sometimes, that's completely okay. Every single person who speaks English fluently today was once exactly where you are. The only difference is they kept going. And so will you. Here's a question to think about. What is the one English phrase from today that you want to use this week in real life? Write it in the comments. Saying it out loud or writing it down makes it stick so much faster. And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the English Drift reach more learners around the world. Share this with a friend who's also learning English. And of course, subscribe to the English Drift so you're always here for episode 2 and beyond. We have so much more coming your way. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You are the reason we make this podcast. Keep practicing, keep drifting into English, and we'll see you next time right here on the English Drift. See you next time.